Over here you can see that I have an image, and in this image a mask is applied. So if I were to go around over here onto the draw section and go around, choose a color of my choice. So I'm going to choose black so that I can erase out different parts of the image, as you can see, just like this. I can go around and erase this right here, and you can see that the mask is applied. If I were to go around onto white, then I can get back the contents right here. But what if I want the original layer right here, and I want all of the contents of the image back to how it was? So instead of drawing around, you can simply delete out the mask as well. So if I were to double click on this layer, then the layer is selected. So if I were to paint around, you can see red color is there on the layer, and it does not affect the mask. Let me just press Ctrl Z a few times right here. And now if I want to work around with the mask, then I need to click on the mask itself, and now I have the mask selected. So what I need to do is I'm going to select the mask, and I'm going to right click over here and click on delete layer mask right here. Once I do that, the mask is completely removed and the picture gets back to its original state without having any masks applied to it. And that is how you can remove out masks inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.